Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is June the 2nd on a Friday, and we're seeing another little gap up in the market. And I think you have to be careful because we did have the debt ceiling deal done. We had jobs number came out; they were good. It could be a sell the news typing event. We've had a decent, really nice move in the technology SPY, not so much, but I think I'm going to focus on the small caps. IWM has been lagging. It is seeing the biggest gap up this morning. So maybe watching some small cap stocks out there and some China stocks. I'm actually in some China stocks that I bought yesterday. I'm really liking this LI. Okay, it is gapping up above this 30 range. Now this is a China stock that's been holding up as the China markets have been going down. I do already have a position looking to add to LI. Uh, Also, some of the ones that are setting up, I mentioned, the IWM. You could just play that ETF. Shack is looking pretty good here. Nice little converging moving averages. Had a nice little bounce yesterday, looking for some follow through in Shack. ARC, I mentioned this the other day. It closed on about a 3 month high yesterday and gapping up. So looking to possibly be turning around there in ARKK. Donkey Kong, it's since earnings been kind of going sideways, a little sloppy, but be watching that one today. LAZR, kind of a spec play, gapping up. I like the way this is kind of setting up, keeps bouncing off the 10 period moving average. See if it can go and take out this 200-day. And let's see what else I got. TNYA, Tanya, liking this setup there, and TNYA. And there's several more on my watch list, guys, that our subscribers have access to in real time. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you next week. Bye bye.